Okay, today I'm taking a look at Skullcandy earbuds. These three are wired, these two are wireless. Now I've already compared this one, which has always been my favorite, I've been using this thing for years, to these two. This one still sounds better to me. This has its place. If you don't like wires, you gotta use something like this. But if you're looking for audio quality, I still think the wired are better. So, today I'm gonna be testing these three. So these are tried, tested, and true. I've got lots and lots of pairs of these. I've been using these things for quite some time, and I just get a handful because either I lose them or I do something with them I'm not supposed to, or I pull on it and destroy it. But these are cheap enough and high enough quality, like they're literally the best sounding earbuds that you can get. And because I recently upgraded my phone to an S21, I'm using an unbreakable USB-C to 3.5 jack adapter. Okay. And I'm going to do the Corn Dead test. So this is a song that I've listened to, and I find that it uses so many different ups and downs and highs and lows and everything all together that this is the best thing to use for testing earbuds or headsets, just on account of it pushes everything together and you can really hear if a headset or earbud isn't up to snuff. I'll just start with the Ink 2s just to get kind of a baseline. I already know these things sound awesome, so there's not really a lot to add there. I love that. Okay. So yeah, these things sound great, and they put out a lot of volume, even with just the USB-C. They sound so good. So now I've got this. This is an upgrade. I've never used these before. This is the Inked Plus. So this is the new model of the same thing. So it does come with extra gels. All these, I believe, are going to come with extra gels, which is good. But one of the things that I noticed is that on the Ink 2, it has a flat cable. All right, so you can see it's kind of flat. And I'm not sure if that actually makes it better or not, but I always felt like it did because it doesn't seem to tangle quite as much as these rounded cables do. But we'll see how that works. Okay, so notes. It sounds awesome. There is an excellent separation. I think everything sounds great. I just need to listen to this one more time because I think these ones sounded a little bit better than Ink 2. So I'm just going to try this one more time. Oh, wait a minute. I take it back. That's interesting. So the Ink 2s I think still sound better, but the Inked Plus sound a little bit warmer. So I think if you like that warm tone, the Ink Plus is going to be a little bit better. Overall, I think the Inked 2s are still my favorite. But now we're going to move on. So this is the Skullcandy Set USB-C. So with this, the main reason I got this is because I'm always afraid I'm going to lose something like this. So I'm going to move the adapter out, and we're going to try these. So it comes with a bunch of extra gels. Not sure if they're different sizes. I think they're all the same size, but we got a bunch of extra gels, so that's cool. Can always use more. So that's a good looking USB-C plug. Nothing too fancy about it. And the gels are a little bit different. So you can see on the Inked Plus, how it's just kind of round. And then here's the set. So it's got kind of this extra little nipple on the end. So I think that might direct the sound more into your ear. I'm not entirely sure. It's a little bit different, so we'll see what that does. Also the design, you can see it's kind of offset in comparison. Little design choices. Let's see if that actually makes a difference. Okay, so right out of the bat, very bold sound. Like this is warm and it's very full. Let's see if it works with the rest of the song. Okay. Yep. Yeah, those sound real good. Okay, so all three of these are great. These USB-C ones, the Set USB-C, these are the new king. That's awesome. I never thought I would hear earbuds that were better than these, but I did. How about that?